today I am checking out some portable LED work lights. Let me show you what's in this box, and we're gonna put these things to the test. All right, so there's the manual there, and here we go. Let's start. Comes with an Allen wrench. This is the base that the lights attach to. The lights come also with a tripod. We have the lights themselves. And there's 3 of these like this. These are 2 different models, but very similar. I'm gonna get them both put together and we'll compare them. They're both 2700 Luminous 150 watt units that have 3 LEDs each. They're rated at 5,000 daylight. As far as the temperature is concerned, we'll get them set up, and then I'm gonna turn off all the lights in my shop, and I'm gonna turn off the my filming lights and everything, and we'll see what these lights can really do. All right, I've got the work lights set up. Now, there's supposed to be 2 different models, but these look identical. Even the lot numbers on the back match. So I'm gonna say these are identical lights. These are not 2 different ones. Let's get them plugged in and see how bright they are. Now, before I do that, cool thing is these telescopic tops here will extend all the way to 72 inches, which is just close to about 6 foot. I'm 6'3", so you can see they're not quite 6 foot, but all right, let's start turning them on and see what we get. Ooh, that's bright. Yep. So that's super bright here. Lots of light. All right, I'm gonna turn them back off real quick. And I'm actually going to turn it around to not blind the camera here, like so. All right, I'm gonna turn off all the other lights that I have. So these are my filming lights going off. This is the actual shop lights going off. Wow, that's dark. Okay, I can't see. That's a problem. Up. There we go. All right. So you can see the work light provides a good light source for what I am working on. I can turn them to change the area that I'm working. So if I wanted to make sure everything behind me is getting well lit, you can see that I'm super lit back there. So now I've got this one, it's behind the camera. Really good portable temporary work lights. Here's kind of the other cool thing about these work lights is that, I can come over here and I put them where I need them, but then instead of having them concentrate in one spot, I can spread them out like so, and I can pan, tilt them up and down to concentrate the areas that I really need covered. And just doing that really changes the way that all of this looks in here. We'll take these outside after dark and check them out there. You probably can't see me that well, but that's the point of this part of the video. We're gonna check out how well these lights work at night outside. So In my new property, I have some really old buildings that at some point I'm going to tear down. And if I wanted to tear them down at night, these lights are what I would use to be able to see what I'm doing. Check that out. I can clearly see both buildings. And then of course I can move my lights around to give me a lot more visual of what's going on here. I want you to see the throw of these lights. This is 2700 luminous on both sets of lights here. So I got a lot of light. I can see what I'm doing really well if I was needing to work on this building, or like I said, probably tear it down. But if you can see, I'm walking way down here and I still have good light. And now I'm probably about 50-ish feet, maybe not 50, maybe 40, 50 feet down away from the lights, and I still have some decent light, but I'd be able to move these lights around pretty easily and get the coverage I need to be able to do the work on these buildings out here. So if you're looking for some good work lights for in your garage or portable that you can use outside, inside, wherever you might need to, I would definitely check these lights out.